Ti hei mauri ora e te whānau e ngā hau e whā, nau mai, haere mai, whakatau mai nei, ki tēnei wāhi, ki tēnei wā, ki tēnei wāhanga o te tau, ngā mihi o te tau hau ki a koutou katoa, tēnā koutou katoa. Me huri taku aro, ki te aroha, ki a rātau mā, kua mene ki te pō, i tēnei tau, me ngā marama, kua pahure, kei te mihi atu ki a rātau. E kore ware tia, te aroha ki a koutou, ngā whānau e noho, e mamai ana, e pani ana tonu i tēnei wā. Kāpiti hono, tātai hono, te hunga mate ki te hunga mate, rātau ki a rātau. Kāpiti hono, tātai roa, te hunga ora ki te hunga ora, tēnā tātou katoa. Whānau, welcome back. It's been a challenging couple of years actually. Busy old time with everyone, and of course with COVID. Our thoughts are there with those whānau, and also mainly at this time our whānui over in ngā mōtere, i te moana nui a Kiwa, Tonga, me ngā mōtere, all those islands and islets over there. Our thoughts and our prayers with them all over there at this time. Coming into the new year over here, ka mate he kainga tahi, ka ore he kainga rua, and I think our tipuna would have had a strategy always to have different whare, different locations, so when things happen we have another place to retire to, but it also talks about different strategies or different doors closing and a new year opening. So welcome back everyone, and I hope you're ready to get your reo on, whatever group you like to go with or whatever way you like to learn. This is us here with Ki Mai Māori, Awi Te Pō, and our kaupapa here bringing a little bit of a slant on it, bit of an angle on it to our papa, to our Papamahi Rākau, that as you know was brought out by the Ātarangi back in the day in the late 70s. Katarina Mataira, me te whaia ngoi pe whairangi, me e rātu o ngā tipuna katoa that brought that out to us. But anyway, online here, I'd like to bring it out and invite you guys to come to a pre-launch, our free pre-launch coming up soon, next week, 4 days. Monday was today, Rahina, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 5 days. And we'll be starting our new pre-launch series, just 4 webinars next week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, something for you to have a look at. Come along, bring yourself, bring your family, come on Zoom, have a look, bring a friend, yeah, bring whoever you like, just bring it, bring some fun, bring a good clear channel, lines of communication, yeah, let's have some fun. Let me show you a way that maybe we can share the reo with you. Let's get you to speak, to whakarongo, to titiro, and then to kōrero. So let's try it out. Yes, it's free, but you do have to play. After that, I will be opening up for a 12-week, our 12-week Papamahi Rākau Real Freedom Program, a Māori language program online with myself here 3 times a week for the next 12 weeks, but that'll start in February. But just for now, come and have a look at the pre-launch first. Don't ask me about the course. Come and have a look and see if it's for you. Going on a bit, so I'm going to just keep it at that. There will be some prizes, and I've been working long and hard, and those have supported me at building our e-papa online self-directed educator. So it started out with 1 screen and about a year's worth of work, but we've grown it now, and we've got over 12 screens now, over 120 ebooks there, interactive information, from karakia to mihi to sentence structure to kaupapa kōrero, 800 videos. I'm going to put a couple of these up for you for a prize, but like I said, you do have to play. Come and jump into our page, click the link tonight, subscribe. Then in the subscription, you'll get a link to the to your email and a link to come to our our pre-launch series page. Lots of prizes, lots of things, but really, mā mahi ka ora, do the mahi and get the treats. It's taken a lot to put all these together, and I don't want to give them away too lightly, so you're going to have to earn it. Just sign up, follow up, and show up. And I think on that, I should shut up and see you guys next week. I think that's about enough. That took a while, but you get the picture, hey? And hopefully a picture paints 1,000 words. You can see what you get here. Come along. I'm going to give you as much as I can. Lots of real takeaways. A lot of real takeaways. You'll take away PDFs, interactive ebooks, e-puka puka, some spot prizes. Did I mention a 12-week scholarship? Maybe 1 or 2. Let's see how we go. Tag your family and friends. Bring the more the merrier. Bring them all along, and let's get into it next week. That's enough. Tihei mauri ora.